Hello guys, this is your boy Reza Ul Alam Atif and welcome to a new video of this channel. When I uploaded the Photoshop video, how you can download Photoshop in your PC for completely free, a little brother of mine in Facebook has asked me to make a video on how to download Adobe Illustrator. It's quite simple. I showed you the website, right, in previous video, in the Photoshop video. You have to go to the same website and search for Adobe Illustrator, and now it's up to you which version you want to download, either it's CC or the standard version, and also the year. If you want Adobe Illustrator 21, 20, 19, 87, it depends on you and your computer specs. So you'll go to the same website, search for it, click the download button, and for the installation, if you still don't know how to install these files, what are you doing, man? Go to my previous video and see how I installed that, how I cracked that, how I patched that. These are the same steps. Do it. Get the Illustrator in your computer for completely free. Subscribe to this channel, drop a like, share this video on Facebook and Instagram, Messenger, wherever you want. Don't re-upload this video, that's bad. And also, while you're subscribing, you see this bell icon right there. Is it here or here? Click it, ring it, and make it all so it rings all the time whenever I upload a new video. Stay tuned. It's been your boy Reza Ul Alam Atif signing out. Peace.